Hey guys, Andrew Baxter here, coming to you live from Port Macquarie. The reason I'm here today is to sit down and have an interview with one of our clients. In fact, I'm here to present the Australian Investment Education Trader of the Year Award for 2025. This is a very, very interesting story, and particularly during a time when a lot of people in today's economy are feeling stressed. People are looking at the stock market going all too hard. And in life, you can do one of two things. You can make excuses, or you can make money. This is an example of someone that chose the latter, to make money. And when you see the triple-digit return that this client banked through 2025, it's going to show you that there is a better way of getting control of your financial future. There's a huge amount to unpack in this interview, and I'd encourage you, as always, not just simply to take notes, but make sure you take plenty of action. Let's jump into the interview right now. That's an interesting journey. So,
Yeah.
like a lot of people, when they first look at the world of investing, it's how can I get there quickly?
Yes.
Get rich quick.
Yes.
And then I guess with a little bit of experience of what markets can do, that
Yeah.
realization that actually, no, it's just about getting rich and maybe throttling back and
Yeah.
just getting a strategy that's more consistent helps.
That's right. And that was probably my turning point for this as well, was when I really took a step back and said, okay, just go with the flow. Work is just going to continue at its own pace. Do the investing, and for me, the covered calls. That's when things started to turn around. And a couple of calls with Mitch as well. It's been great.
Yeah, 3 to 5% in a month in terms of income is beyond the pale for most people that don't understand that which we do. What would you say to somebody that's of that opinion?
Yeah, and my mother's a classic example.
Okay.
I love her to bits. Well, I suppose most people in the public arena are banking on 3 to 5% per year, if you talk in real terms after inflation, the dollar value and so forth, whatever the bank's paying at the time. And if you add up 3 to 5%, you're talking 40 to 50% per year, per annum. And there's no fund management that's going to pay that.
No.
So I guess for a lot of people, that's just unrealistic. But when you slot it down to per month, and particularly the covered call options as well, it's totally realistic. And yeah.
So how did you get there? You've gone from having an initial interest in markets based on this is my vehicle to get rich quick to the realization that this isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich. So I need a process to do that.
Yeah.
So how did you go about developing that process? How much did you lean on, for example, the education that we provide for that?
Yeah, 100%. The education was key.
Cover calls, a lot of people would consider, oh, that's a snooze strategy. So let's just throw some numbers in here just to prompt people to be more open-minded.
Yeah.
So if we look at 2025, full calendar year,
Yes.
and these are returns directly off the trading platform. So you had about 25 grand at the start of the year.
Yes.
And then you put in a few deposits by way of savings, I believe, through the year, about another 25 grand.
Yes.
And you finished the year at $109,196.
Yes.
So for the benefit of anyone that's not great at maths, that's about $63,200 of profit for the year.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or in percentage terms, about 137%.
Not bad.
Not bad. I love the understatement. And again, there'll be people looking at this going, scam, not possible. These are real numbers lifted directly off the trading platform.
Yes. And I think it was back in December when I sent my thank you message to you guys. I think you were all on holidays at that stage. It was, these are the results. Here's a screenshot of my trading account. And thank you for your guidance and your help. And anytime that I have a question, you guys are always on the ball to answer that. And the results, I was just stoked by the results, really. Yeah, and it's a really big breath of fresh air. Yeah, that consistency that you get, particularly with covered calls, in my case, it just provides you that sense of assurance, I think. Yeah.
That's a really important thing, isn't it? I mean,
Yeah.
if you're talking about future planning
Yeah.
and maybe staying in the professional lane you're in because you want to rather than you have to,
Yes.
but it still requires dollars to buy time back to ultimately to get off that kind of hamster wheel.
It does.
Yeah. You can see covered calls giving you that vehicle to do
Yeah.
it.
Oh, most definitely. Yes. And until I ease back on my work, I can really build up that the balance, I suppose, so that 3 to 5% per month can really increase and pay for any other bills that I have left, I suppose.
So in terms of the education that we've provided.
Yeah.
Is there anything particularly in there which is a standout to you, which you kind of think, well, gee, yeah, that was my moment when everything glued together?
Yeah, I think certainly with the courses that you provide, I had a brief knowledge of what it covered before that anyway. But your courses actually gave that clarity. And the probably the most standout thing over and above that would have been the support you guys provide. Any questions are answered. If not that day, I get a phone call from one of your team and they'll explain everything and just genuinely ask how things are going. That's been amazing.
What would you say to somebody that was looking at Australian investment education? They're on the sidelines, maybe like you a few years ago. They're wanting to get the needle moved and make some money, but they don't know where to start. What would you suggest to them?
It's first priority. You have to start somewhere. So Australian investment education are an awesome vehicle, very well laid out with the information that you provide. A solid team, a team that knows what they're doing, and follow the process. And yeah, look, you've been around for, correct me if I'm wrong, 30 years, probably more.
Feels like longer sometimes, but yes.
Yeah, so, and you have that reputation in the industry, you're very well respected. And the strategies that you teach are just solid. You can go full stream ahead with the advanced options, or you can just sit back a little bit easier and still make money month by month with the covered calls. So whether you're aggressive or not so aggressive, you guys cover all option aspects, excuse the pun.
I want to talk a little bit about what made you reach out to us in the first place, if we can loop back to start that one again. So
Yeah.
I'm here with Shelley Heinrich. You've been with us for around about 5 years now.
Yes, yes.
What prompted you to reach out in the very first instance to Australian investment education?
Yes. I was really looking for something solid that I could apply to my lifestyle, being quite busy with my work, and my time off is also quite busy, and I've been told off for looking at the computer too much occasionally so with different trading styles. So yeah, look, I really needed to find something more solid, more stable, and that's where you guys came in. And with the options, it's a little bit of a different strategy, and yeah, it just ticked all the right boxes for me.
How many minutes, hours a week do you think you dedicate toward your actual trading?
Per week, probably for options trading only about up to 1 hour. It's not
For the week?
For the week, yeah, it's not a lot. Of course, I'm checking my trades on a daily basis to see what the value is, and just monitor if they're going up, down, sideways, what have you, and how the call options are kicking in.
But the actual work is about an hour?
Yeah, yeah.
Have you actually worked out what that is as an hourly rate? I'm just doing the math at the moment, and I'm thinking it's probably about $1,100 an hour.
Yes.
I know you're in massive demand with your professional skill set as a mining surveyor and engineer, but $1,100 an hour doesn't sound like a bad side hustle.
Return, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good when you break it into that context. So as we sort of bring this conversation to a close, obviously I'm down here in Port Macquarie, and what prompted this conversation, you sent us a very kind email to our team to say thank you.
Yes.
And there's no thank you needed. We're there to work for you. That's the relationship that we have, but it was very much appreciated by everybody. It's prompted a series of conversations across the team. Now I'm down here, I've got an event this evening, but the real reason I'm actually in town today is Shelley Heinrich to present you with this wonderful piece of glassware, this trophy, and to actually congratulate you on being Australian Investment Education Trader of the Year for 2025. So massive congratulations. Well done.
I'm absolutely honoured.
Not honoured at all, it's well earned. And that's why that recognition means so much. It's not something you can buy, you've earned it. And we really respect having you as part of our ecosystem. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Most sincerely,
Amazing.
congratulations. I think,
Yeah.
137% return
Yeah.
on any metric is outstanding.
Yeah.
$63,200 of profit.
Yes.
I can't think of anybody finer to receive that award. So massive congratulations on behalf of all the team.
And once again, thank you so much for everything you guys do. You really are a client-based business. That's where your focus is. Your intent is to help people, and I really appreciate that as well.
Well done.
This is a bonus.